Now welcome to our favorite channel Sri Ganit Vigyan Sarvaswam JEE and MSET online video channel. This video is presented by B. Ramesh Kumar JL in Mathematics. Now this time we will discuss JEE Mains January 2020 chapter wise solutions. Our topic is sequence and series. So from this topic there are two questions will be come in JEE Mains. So these questions are very easiest questions. From this topic important formulas are there. First of all, that formulas will be discussed here. Before going to our class, watch the complete video. If you like press button and subscribe my channel. Now useful formulas are, the first one is sum of first n natural numbers. Sn equals to summation n. Here summation n means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on plus n. Now that formula is n into n plus 1 by 2. So this is one of the important formula. And next one is sum of squares of first n natural numbers. Sn equals summation n square. That is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on plus n square. That formula is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. The next one is sum of cubes of first n natural numbers, that is summation n cube. Here summation n cube will be written as summation n whole square. Here summation n means n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. Now simplify this, n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. This is also one of the important formula. And next one is, here we observe that the sequence may be defined three types of series. First one is arithmetic progression or arithmetic series, which is in the form a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d plus and so on, a plus n minus 1 into d. And here we observe that a plus n minus 1 into d, it will be denoted by tn, that is nth term of arithmetic progression, that is a plus n minus 1 into d. Here d means common difference, a means first term, and sum of n terms is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here 2a will be written as a plus a, and we write second term a plus n minus 1 into d, which is nth term of the arithmetic progression. Here the nth term is denoted by L. Now at the another formula is n by 2 into a plus L. So given first term, number of terms and common difference, find sum of n terms, are given first term, last term and sum of n terms, are also calculated sum of n terms. And here a is first term, d is common difference and L is last term, n equals to number of terms. And another series is geometric progression series. Here the form is ar square and so on, ar to the power of n minus 1. Here we observe that a is first term, r is the common ratio. Here each term is multiplied by some constant value, that value is called common ratio. And here we observe that a into r to the power of n minus 1 is the nth term of the geometric progression. Here a equals first term, r equals to common ratio. And we observe sum of n terms in the geometric series, that is a plus ar square plus and so on plus ar to the power of n minus 1. Here we observe the sum of n terms are depend upon r is greater than 1, r is less than 1 and r equals to 1. In this, a into r to the power of n plus 1 minus 1 by r minus 1. Here common ratio is greater than 1, and a into 1 minus r to the power of n plus 1 by 1 minus r. Here r is less than 1 and r equals to 1. The sum of n terms equal to na. And similarly we go to sum of infinite terms, that is denoted by a by 1 minus r. Here r is always less than 1. Now these are very very important formulas from this chapter. Next we go to the problems. Now the first problem is the greatest positive integer k for which 49 power k plus 1 is a factor of the sum is 49 power 125 plus 49 power 124 plus 49 power 123 plus and so on plus 49 square plus 49 plus 1 is, the given options are, first one is 32, second one is 60, third one is 65 and fourth one is 63. Here the solution of this one is, first of all we observe that in the given problem reverse side 1 plus 49 plus 49 square plus and so on 49 power 123 plus and so on 49 power 125. We observe this is the geometric series. So the general form of geometric series is a plus ar square plus and so on plus ar to the power of n minus 1. So the sum of these values, these terms equals to a into r to the power of n plus 1 minus 1 by r minus 1. Here r means 49. So which is always greater than 1. So we take in a into r to the power of n plus 1 minus 1 by r minus 1. So the given series is 1 plus 49 square plus and so on 49 power 125. Here this is the nth term. So first term is 1. So 1 into 49 power 125 plus 1 minus 1 by 49 minus 1. Now it can simplify. The value is 49 power 126 minus 1 by 48. So 49 power 126. This is written by 49 power 63 whole square minus 1. 1 means 1 square. So this is the form of a square minus b square, that equals to a plus b into a minus b. So here we write 49 power 63 plus 1 into 49 power 63 minus 1 by 48. Next, in this one, the first term is same. In the second term, 49 power 63. 49 will be written as 1 plus 48 and minus 1 by 48. So here first term will be same and 1 plus 48 power 63 will be written as some 1 plus 48. L means which is sum of one integer form. So that equals to minus 1 by 48. Here we observe that in this 49 power 63 plus 1 and 1 cancel 48 I by 48. So which is 48 cancel, both are numerator and denominator, and into I. So that equals 49 power 63 plus 1 into I. So here we observe that 49 power 63 plus 1 is the factor of I. So already in the given problem 49 power k plus 1 is a factor of the sum. So here 49 power 63 plus 1 is the factor of I. So comparing these terms, then k value equals to 63. So our k is positive integer, then that value will be 63. So this is the answer which is in the option 4. So this is the solution for this problem. Next we go to second problem. 5 numbers are in AP whose sum is 25 and the product is 2520. If one of these 5 numbers is minus 1 by 2, then the greatest number amongst them is, the given options are, first one is 16, second one is 27, third one is 7 and fourth one is 21 by 2. Now we go to the solution. First we observe 5 numbers are in AP. General we take the terms in AP. Here 5 numbers are A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D. So because of sum of these terms equals to, here these are cancelled and that equation having only A terms. So we take this type of terms in AP. So here the sum is 5A equals to 25. 5A equals to 25. Already sum of 5 terms equals 25 given in problem. And in this A equals to 25 by 5, that equals to 5. And the product of these 5 terms equals to 2520. This is also already given. So here left side A minus 2D into A minus D into A plus D into A plus 2D. Here we observe that the first term and fifth term is A minus B into A plus B. So that is written by A square minus 4D square. And similarly second and fourth A minus D into A plus D, that is also written by A square minus D square. Here A is already known, only 5. So which is goes to RHS, then which divided by 2520, that value equals to 504. And substitute the value of A in LHS. A square means 25 minus 4D square. A square means 25 minus D square. So now we multiply these terms, then we get 4D power 4 minus 125D square, and 504 will be taken to LHS side, and that value here 25 into 25 625 minus 504, that value 121 equals to 0. Now the equation is 4D power 4 minus 125D square plus 121 equals 0. Here factorize this equation, then we get D square minus 1 into 4D square minus 121 equals 0. Therefore D square equals to 1 or D square equals to 121 by 4. Therefore D equals to plus or minus 1 and plus or minus 11 by 2. Here D contains 4 values, plus 1, minus 1, plus 11 by 2, minus 11 by 2. In this the greatest common difference is only plus 11 by 2. So now we take D equals to plus 11 by 2, and A is already known 5. Therefore in these 5 numbers A plus 2D is the greatest term. Therefore A plus 2D equals to 5 plus 2 into 11 by 2. 2 cancel, 5 plus 11 equals 16. So this is the greatest number in the given AP. Now the third one is, if the sum of the first 40 terms of the series 3 plus 4 plus 8 plus 9 plus 13 plus 14 plus 18 plus 19 plus and so on is 120 into m, then the value m equals to dash. Here given options are 10, 25, 5, 20. So first we write the given series is 3 plus 4 plus 8 plus 9 plus 13 plus 14 plus 18 plus 19 plus and so on. Now in this the total terms are 40 terms already given. In the sum the total terms are 40 terms. So which is in this 3 plus 4 is one of the pair, and 8 plus 9 is one of the pair, and 13 plus 14 is one of the pair, and 18 plus 19 is one of the pair, and similarly the remaining terms also one of the pairs in these 40 terms. Now we add these pairs, that is we observe 3 plus 4 equals to 7, 8 plus 9 equals to 17, and 13 plus 14 equal 27, 18 plus 19 equal 37 plus and so on. So here the total terms are totally only 20 terms. Here each 2 terms are added, then we get the remaining values 7, 17, 27 and so on. So the number of terms in this series equals to 20 terms. And we observe this sequence is arithmetic progression. Here each term added by the number 10. So the common difference is 10 and first term is 7. So therefore we using the sum of n terms in AP. That formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That equals to n means 20 by 2 into first term 2 is 7 plus n means 20 minus 1 into d means 10. Now that equals to 10 into 2 into 7 14 plus 20 minus 1 19 into 10 190. That equals 10 into 204. It will be written as 102 into 20 because of the total sum is 102 into m. So here we write the number is 102 into sum 20. So we compare the given number and already calculated number. The value of m is 20. This is the solution for this problem. Now the fourth problem is that a1, a2, a3 and so on be a geometric progression such that a1 is less than 0. a1 plus a2 equals to 4 and a3 plus a4 equals to 16. And if summation I equals to 1 to 9, ai equals to 4 lambda, then the value of lambda equals to dash. So given options are, first one is 171, second one is 511 by 3, third one is minus 171, fourth one is minus 513. Now we observe that the solution of this problem is, so here two conditions are given, that are a1 plus a2 equals to 4 and a3 plus a4 equals to 16. So here a1, a2, a3 up to and so on, these terms are in GP. So therefore which is of the form is a, ar square, ar cube and so on. So here first term is a, second term is ar, third term is ar square, fourth term is ar cube. So by the given conditions we take a1 plus a2 equals to 4, that equals to a plus ar equals to 4. Now we common the value a into 1 plus r equals to 4. And in the second condition a3 plus a4 equals to 16. Here a3 means ar square, a4 means ar cube. So now we take common ar square into 1 plus r, that equals to 16. So here a into 1 plus r value 4, now which is substitute in this, and 4r square equals to 16. Therefore the value of r equals to plus or minus 2. And if r equals to 2, then from first one a equals to 4 by 1 plus r. That means a equals 4 by 1 plus 2, that is 4 by 3. So here which is not possible because of in the given problem a1 is less than 0. So here we take r equals to minus 2. Then a equals to 4 by 1 minus 2. So that equals to 4 by minus 1 means minus 4. So which is already less than 0. Therefore r a value minus 4. And in the given problem the sum of first 9 terms equals to some 4 lambda, which is already given. So first of all we find, using the formula we find sum of first 9 terms. So here this is in GP. So sum of n terms in GP, the formula is a into r to the power of n plus 1 minus 1 by r minus 1. Here yeah, n means 8, 8 plus 1 means 9. So a into r to the power of 9 minus 1 by r minus 1, which is already equals to 4 lambda. Now which implies a value 4 into r value minus 2 power 9 minus 1 by r value minus 2 minus 1. Now that value is, here minus 1 minus minus cancelled, 4 by 3 into minus 2 power 9 value minus 512 minus 1. So that is 4 into minus y 513 by 3. So that is 4 into Now 513 is divided by 3, that value is 171. So here already minus already uh, having this value. So that is 4 into minus 171. Now which is equals to 4 lambda. Already sum of first 9 terms is 4 lambda given in the problem. So that equal comparing these two values. Then lambda equals to minus 171. So this is the answer which is in the option 3. So this is the solution for this problem. Now the next problem is the sum of summation k equals to 1 to 20, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on equals to dash. So which is integer type question. So it is very easiest question also. So here the solution is summation k equals 1 to 20, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on, that equals to, here we observe that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on up to some k terms, which is generally denoted by k into k plus 1 by 2, which is clear. Now it can simplify. The next step is 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2 is constant. So which is outside, 1 by 2 into summation k equals 1 to 20. Here k into k square plus k into 1 k. And here the summation will apply in each term k square and k. Then we get the value is 1 by 2 into summation k equals 1 to 20 k square plus summation k equals 1 to 20 k. Here summation k square, summation k. Now that values are, so 1 by 2 into, here we observe summation n square equals to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. And summation n equals to n into n plus 1 by 2, which is already used in the first step. So here we observe that n equals to 20. So substitute the value 20 in the formula. 20 into 20 plus 1 into 2 into 20 plus 1 by 6 plus as well as same n into n means 20 into 20 plus 1 by 2. Therefore 1 by 2 into 20 into 20 plus 1 21 into 2 into 20 plus 1 41 by 6 plus it will 20 is cancelled by 2 divided by 2, that value equals to 10 into 21. Now that value is 1 by 2 into, simplify this one, that value is 2870 plus 10 into 21 210. So that value is 1540. So this is the solution for this problem. So this type problems 2 or 3 are given in last January 2020 and 2019 also. So prepare well and practice well. Now next problem is, if the 10th term of an AP is 1 by 20 and its 20th term is 1 by 10, then the sum of its first 200 terms is, the given options are, first one is 50 and 1 by 4, second one is 100, third one is 50, fourth one is 100 and 1 by 2. So here we observe that in the given arithmetic progression, 10th term is 1 by 20, 20th term is 1 by 10. Symbolically it is denoted by T10. So we know that in arithmetic progression, nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d. So here n means 10. So 10 minus 1, that is 9. So a plus 9d, which is already given 1 by 20. Similarly T20 means a plus 20 minus 1, that is 19d equals to 1 by 10. So here we subtract from T20 to T10, that is 10d. Here a cancelled, 19d minus 9, that is 10d. T20, T10 values already given. Substitute these values in this. 1 by 10 minus 1 by 20 equals to, which is 10 by 200. That equals to 0 0 cancelled, 1 by 20. So 1 by 20 is already equals to 10D. So therefore the value of D is 1 by 200. From T10 equals A plus 9D equals 1 by 20. Here A equals to 1 by 20 minus 9D. Here 1 by 20 minus 9 into the value of D is 1 by 200, that is 9 by 200. Simplify this, then the value of A is 1 by 200. So A value 1 by 200 and D is also 1 by 200. And in the given problem, to find the sum of first 200 terms. So using the formula sum of n terms in AP is n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So here substitute the values A and D in this formula. Then S20 equals 200 by 2. N means 200 by 2 into 2 into A means 1 by 200, that is 2 by 200 plus 200 minus 1, that is 199. D means 1 by 200. So 199 by 200. Now it can simplify. Then 200 divided by 2, that is 100. 2 plus 199, that is 201, by denominator is always 200. So here 100 200 is divided by 100, that is 2. 201 by 2, which is 101 by 2. So this is in the option fourth one, which is the solution for this problem. Now the next problem is the summation n equals 1 to 7, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 4 equals to dash. So this type of problem already told in question number 5. So same procedure as follows for this sum. So which is integer type question. So given sum is summation n equals 1 to 7, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 4. So that equals to 1 by 4 into summation n equals 1 to 7. Here multiply with n to n plus 1, that is n square plus n into 2n plus 1, that equals to 1 by 4 into summation n equals 1 to 7. So multiply with n square to 2n cube, and n square into 1, n square plus n into 2n square. Sum of these two is 3n square plus n into 1 is n. And the next one is 1 by 4 into, now summation is separated to each term. So 2 is constant, 2 into summation n equals 1 to 7 n cube plus 3 into summation n equals 1 to 7 n square plus summation n equals 1 to 7 n. Here we observe that this is summation n cube, sum of the cubes of first 10 terms. Here sum of the squares of first 10 terms. Here sum of first 10 terms. So here n is 7. Now using these formulas, now the formulas are summation n square equals to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6, and summation n equals to n into n plus 1 by 2, and summation n cube equals to n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. Now using these formulas and substitute the values of n equals to 7 in this one, and the value is 1 by 4 into 2 is constant, 2 into n into n plus 1 whole square. So n into n plus 1 means 7 into 7 plus 1 8, 7 into 8 whole square by 2 square, that means 4, plus 3 into n plus 1 7 into 7 plus 1 8 into 2n plus 1, so 7 into 2 plus 1 15 by 6, plus and n, say summation n into n plus 1 by 2, that is 7 into 7 plus 1, 7 into 8 by 2. Now then the value is 1 by 4 into 2 into this value is simplifies and 784 plus second value is 420 and third value is 28. Now simplify total sum, that is 504. This is the our answer to the given problem. Wish you all the best for the students.